How to add text to your video on InShot app, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add text to your video. First thing, go to InShot. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go down here, click on the video, and from here you can upload a new video from your gallery or just choose one from your drafts. Like me, I already have this one. Click on it. Now it will take you to this page. You will find many options here exactly on this bar. As you can see, you will find many options. All what you have to do is go back and click on the text option right here. After you click on text, now you can write anything from here. As you can see, for example, test, and click save. Now as you can see, you can add the text easily and fast, and you can change the text as you want. You have many options. You can change the color from here. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe.